Hi, welcome to Graphic Games. Today we're diving into the basics of Inkscape. Whether you're a beginner or thinking to level up your design skills, this tutorial will cover some basics tools you need to know to get started with creating graphics. How to add and edit page using Page tool. On the left side of your Inkscape window, select the Page tool. You can easily draw the page randomly by clicking and dragging. Alternatively, you can select an existing page to duplicate it. You can also click on File, then Page Properties, to edit the page dimensions from the Page Properties window. You can also change the background color of your workspace by simply selecting a color from the background, border, or desk sections. How to scroll. There are many ways to scroll through a document in Inkscape. Use Ctrl plus arrow keys to scroll using the keyboard. You can also drag with the middle mouse wheel vertically. For horizontal scrolling, hold Shift plus mouse wheel, or Ctrl plus mouse button, middle or right, to position the workspace. You can also use the scroll bars. If you want to hide them, press Ctrl plus B. How to zoom. The easiest way to zoom is by pressing minus and plus or equal keys. You can also use Ctrl plus middle click or Ctrl plus right click to zoom in. Shift plus middle click or Shift plus right click to zoom out, or rotate the mouse wheel with Ctrl. Or you can click in the zoom input or type the Z key to enter a precise zoom value in %, then press enter. With the zoom tool, you can zoom into an area by dragging around it. Alternatively, on the top left, you can use zoom in or out buttons as well as other zoom options available such as zoom selection, zoom drawing, zoom page, and zoom center page. To draw a rectangle or any other shape, you can use the tool window to select what you like. Type the R key or select the rectangle tool and draw the shape. You can manipulate the shape by holding the Ctrl or Shift key separately, or maintain them both. To change the fill color, just choose a color from the window below. If you want to add or change the stroke of your shape, simply hold the Shift key and select a color. Transform and rotation. With the shape selected, you can scale with the mouse by dragging the arrows, or click on the shape again to perform rotation. Align shapes and objects. To align a shape with the page, we will use the Align tool. Center on the vertical axis and center on the horizontal axis. With the Align tool, there are many alignment options. Align right edges to the left edge of anchor. Align left edges. Align right edges. Align left edges to the right edge of anchor. Align bottom edges to the top edge of anchor. Align top edges. Align bottom edges. Align top edges to the bottom edge of anchor. How to group objects. Let's duplicate the shape and give it different colors. To create a group, select one or more objects and press Ctrl plus G. To ungroup one or more groups, select them and press Ctrl plus U. These actions are also accessible by right-click or the Object menu. Groups themselves may be grouped, just like any other objects. Add text and customize it. To add text to your project, you can easily click on the Text tool on the toolbar and then type your text. You can customize color on the bottom toolbar and alignment, size, type, and fonts easily from the top bar. How to add stroke. You can easily edit the stroke of different objects. Just select the shape you want to change the stroke, then on the top right, click on the arrow button and choose Fill and Stroke. Then you can edit the stroke, size, type, and other properties as you wish. How to export. On the top right, click on the arrow button again and select Export. There are many ways to export as document, page, selection only, or a custom export. Thanks for tuning in to our Inkscape Basics tutorial. If you found this helpful and want more design tips and tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community.